Here are some step-by-step solutions to fix audio issues in Starfield on PC. 1. Check your audio settings. Make sure that your audio output device is properly selected and that the volume is turned up. You can also try changing the audio settings in the game, such as the sample rate and bit depth. 2. Update your audio drivers. Outdated or corrupted audio drivers can cause all sorts of problems, including audio not working or audio desync. You can update your audio drivers manually or automatically. 3. Verify the integrity of the game files. Sometimes, corrupted game files can cause audio issues. You can verify the integrity of the game files by right-clicking on the game in Steam and selecting Properties. Then, go to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. 4. Disable any unnecessary background programs. Some background programs can interfere with the audio in Starfield. Try disabling any unnecessary background programs and see if that fixes the issue. 5. Restart your computer. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix all sorts of problems. So, if you've tried all of the above solutions and the audio is still not working, try restarting your computer. If you're still having trouble, you can contact Bethesda support for help. Here are some additional tips that may help. Make sure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Starfield. Try playing the game in a different audio output device, disable any audio enhancements or spatial sound features, update your BIOS. Reinstall the game. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions. Like the video. Subscribe to Proudly Technical.